How to delete pages in Microsoft Word on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete pages in Microsoft Word on mobile. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure to download and install Microsoft Word on your mobile device. Now simply tap to launch it. After that, you need to make sure to log into your account. Tap on any particular Word document. Now select the page you want to delete. Simply you can scroll down and then click on the balloon option. Simply you can select any kind of text and then you will see the scissor icon. Tap on it and after that the pages will be deleted in this way. So that is how you can easily remove extra pages in Word on mobile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.